7.9 is on phylogeny, which is the study of evolutionary relationships between species or groups of species. Just like a family tree, a phylogenetic tree shows how species split off from older ones, just like how descendants kind of split off from their ancestors. It displays evolutionary relationships, and it can show which species have a more distant common ancestor and which ones have a more recent common ancestor. Basically, how related are species to each other and to extinct species. Biologists make these diagrams based off of the evidence that we talked about back in 7.6. The further back you go on the diagram, the further you go back in time. The branch points, like these, represent common ancestors of two or more taxa. Sister taxa are those that are right next to each other and share a recent common ancestor, and a basal taxon is one that diverged through evolution the earliest from the rest of the taxa on the diagram. Another type of phylogenetic tree, called a cladogram, organizes taxa based on shared characteristics and derived characteristics. It's showing evolutionary relationships based on what species have or don't have in common.